Efficiency of an organization. Efficiency in simple sense, the state or quantity of being efficient. According to the definition of Merriam-Webster, efficiency means it is a quantity or degree of being efficient. Efficiency means in an expand form or general sense, it is the ability to avoid wasting material, energy, effort, money and time in doing something or in purchasing or producing a desired result. What is an organizational efficiency? Organizational efficiency is a measure of the relationship between organizational input and output. In simple sense, the more output we can achieve with a given amount of input or resources, the more efficient we are. Concept of efficiency. Efficiency signifies a peak level of performance that uses the least amount of input to achieve the highest amount of output. Efficiency of Mahindra and Tata Motors. First one, Mahindra and Mahindra. Mahindra and Mahindra Limited is an Indian multinational automotive manufacturing corporation headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. It was established in 1945 by Mohammed and Mahindra, later renamed as Mahindra. It is one of the largest vehicle manufacturers by production in India and also largest manufacturer of tractors in the world. Efficiency of Mahindra and Mahindra. First point, the revenue remained subdued. There was an improvement of marginal efficiency due to the cost optimization measures taken by the management. Mahindra and Mahindra is also taking specific steps to improve the performance of its subsidiaries such as Mahindra Foreign Europe. Mahindra Foreign Europe have improved from the low digit to new double digit. Improvement of operational efficiency and turnaround in the subsidiary continue to believe that the Mahindra is the multi-year growth history. Efficiency of Tata Motors. Tata Motors Limited is an Indian multinational automotive manufacturing company headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. It is a part of Tata Group, an Indian conglomerate. Its products include passenger cars, trucks, vans, coaches, buses, sports cars, etc. Efficiency of an Tata Motors. Producing prototypes was one of the first application of 3D printing technology, and the automotive industry pioneered its development. 3D printing allows business to produce parts faster than with conventional method. This technology is cost efficient and offers high accurate parts and a worldwide range of high quality finishing options. Smart software. Tata Motors currently uses Materialise Magics for their data preparation. They uses it is to convert CAD file to STL. They uses the Magic Center module to automatically nest all the parts at the nesting and height of their choice. Material E-Stage, a software program which automatically generates support structure. The automation wipes at human errors. Thank you.